What if two simple ingredients sitting quietly in your kitchen could help with up to 17 common health issues that so many of us face as we age? From stiff joints and tired mornings to memory lapses and digestion troubles, ancient doctors believed that the humble black seed and golden honey held remarkable healing power. And the best part, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated recipes, just the wisdom of time. In this video, we'll explore why old doctors trusted this mixture, what science says about it today, and how you can use it safely to support your own health. So if you've ever wondered whether natural remedies still matter, this one might surprise you. Before we continue, kindly tap the subscribe button on your screen to join our growing senior food and wellness family, where we share simple, proven tips to help you stay active, healthy, and happy at every age. Welcome to Senior Food and Wellness, the place where experience meets wisdom, and where every meal or natural remedy can bring you closer to better living. Today, we're diving into an age-old secret that generations before us swore by: black seed mixed with honey. You've probably heard your parents or grandparents mention it, a spoon a day keeps the doctor away. Well, turns out they might have been onto something. As we grow older, our bodies change, metabolism slows down, energy dips, and small aches start to show up where they never used to. It's natural, but it doesn't have to mean surrendering your vitality. That's where ancient remedies like this one come in, offering gentle, natural support without harsh chemicals or side effects. In this video, we'll uncover what makes black seed and honey such a powerful duo, the 17 health concerns they've been used to address, and how you can safely try it for yourself. Whether you're looking to ease joint stiffness, boost memory, support digestion, or simply feel more energized each day, stay with me till the end. This could be one of the simplest health habits you'll ever add to your life. What are black seed and honey? Let's start with the basics. What exactly are black seed and honey, and why did old doctors trust them so deeply? Black seed, known as Nigella sativa, is a tiny black spice used for thousands of years across Asia and the Middle East. Ancient healers called it the blessed seed because they believed it could protect the body from nearly any illness. Today, we know it's rich in compounds that may help reduce inflammation and support the immune system. Honey is nature's golden healer, soothing, antibacterial, and full of antioxidants that help the body repair itself. When these two are mixed, they don't just taste good. They work together like a natural shield for your health, nurturing energy, digestion, and overall vitality the gentle way our elders always preferred. For centuries, before modern medicine and pharmacies, healthcare looked very different. People relied on what nature provided: herbs, roots, and natural foods. Among their most trusted remedies was the simple combination of black seed and honey. Old doctors, herbalists, and healers used it for everything from tiredness and breathing problems to digestion and joint pain. They noticed something special. When black seed and honey were taken together, patients recovered faster, had more energy, and seemed to stay healthier through the seasons. In ancient texts, black seed was even described as a cure for everything but death. That's how powerful its reputation was. Honey, on the other hand, was known as the body's natural restorer, used to coat the throat, heal wounds, and support long life. When mixed, the bitterness of the seed and the sweetness of honey balanced each other, just like the body's need for strength and comfort. Today, modern science explains what those doctors couldn't. The mix may help calm inflammation, fight bacteria, and protect cells from aging. In other words, those old doctors were practicing holistic health, nurturing the body as a whole, not just treating symptoms. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes the old ways still hold timeless wisdom. Now, let's explore the 17 different ways this timeless blend of black seed and honey has been used to support the body's well-being. For generations, people from many cultures trusted this simple combination to restore strength, balance, and vitality. While everyone's experience is unique, these are the most common areas where it's believed to make a real difference. 1. Joint discomfort and stiffness. Many seniors have used this mixture to ease tension in knees, hips, and hands. Black seed's natural compounds may calm swelling, while honey adds soothing nourishment for flexibility. 2. Digestive balance. From occasional bloating to sluggish digestion, this blend has long been taken to promote smoother bowel movement and reduce abdominal heaviness after meals. 3. Circulatory pressure. Some early findings suggest black seed can gently influence blood flow, encouraging steady heart rhythm and healthier pressure levels. 4. Cholesterol management. Regular intake may help regulate lipid profiles, supporting the body's efforts to maintain a balanced ratio between good and bad fats. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Traditional practitioners offered this mix to stabilize sugar levels. Though not a replacement for medication, it may complement a healthy diet and lifestyle. 6. Cognitive sharpness. Its antioxidant richness supports mental clarity, alertness, and concentration, qualities that often fade with age but can be strengthened naturally. 7. Respiratory ease. Inhaling warm vapors or consuming small daily amounts was believed to open airways, making breathing smoother and more comfortable, especially during seasonal changes. 8. Energy restoration. Natural sugars in honey replenish strength quickly, while black seeds' energizing compounds help the body combat fatigue without stimulants. 9. Immune defense. Regular consumption is thought to enhance resistance against everyday colds, maintaining vitality throughout the year. 10. Wound support. Honey's cleansing ability helps skin recover, while black seed protects against harmful microbes, encouraging faster surface repair. 11. Allergy relief. The mix may help the body respond more calmly to environmental triggers such as pollen or dust. 12. Heart nourishment. Together, these ingredients promote circulation, oxygen delivery, and arterial resilience, encouraging a stronger cardiovascular system. 13. Liver protection. Ancient healers gave this blend to people with sluggish digestion or toxin buildup, believing it refreshed and strengthened internal organs. 14. Skin renewal. When applied externally or taken internally, it's said to improve tone, elasticity, and hydration, keeping the complexion fresh and youthful. 15. Hair vitality. Black seed's nutrient content may help preserve scalp health and encourage growth, while honey locks in natural moisture for shine. 16. Stomach comfort. Both elements are gentle on the digestive lining, offering relief from irritation and acidity while promoting better absorption of nutrients. 17. Overall wellness. Many people simply use the mixture as a daily tonic, trusting it to nurture body balance, uplift energy, and maintain emotional steadiness. Although these benefits stem from traditional use, modern research now provides partial explanations. Black seed's active compound, thymoquinone, demonstrates antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may underlie its wide range of effects. Honey, in turn, contains natural enzymes, trace minerals, and antibacterial agents that complement those actions beautifully. The combination seems to work by gently supporting multiple systems at once: digestion, immunity, and circulation, rather than targeting a single condition. It's a holistic approach, restoring the body's inner balance instead of masking discomfort. That's what makes this ancient mixture so fascinating. It addresses wellness from within, reminding us that real healing begins with harmony. Still, as inspiring as these traditional claims are, remember that natural remedies work best when paired with balanced nutrition, hydration, movement, and proper medical guidance. Think of black seed and honey as lifelong companions to your health journey, not magic, but mindful support for the amazing body you already have. Let's look at what today's research tells us about this age-old combination. Modern science has only recently begun catching up to what healers observed generations ago, and while not every claim has been proven, some findings are quite encouraging. Studies on black seed reveal that it contains a powerful natural compound called thymoquinone. This ingredient has been shown to reduce inflammation, fight harmful microbes, and protect the body's cells from oxidative stress, the kind of slow damage that comes with aging, pollution, and poor diet. Scientists believe this antioxidant action may explain why black seed has long been linked to better immunity, clearer breathing, and balanced metabolism. Honey, on the other hand, has one of the longest and strongest reputations in medical history. Modern laboratory tests confirm its ability to suppress bacteria, soothe sore throats, and speed wound recovery. Honey also delivers natural enzymes and plant nutrients that nourish the body while providing gentle, sustained energy without the crash that comes from refined sugar. When used together, these two natural substances appear to complement one another beautifully. Honey enhances black seed's absorption in the digestive system, helping the body take in its beneficial compounds more effectively. Meanwhile, black seed's antioxidants help preserve honey's natural enzymes, making the mixture more stable and potent. A number of small clinical trials suggest that this combination may support blood sugar control, improve cholesterol balance, and reduce markers of chronic inflammation, all key concerns for aging adults. However, scientists also caution that much of the existing research is preliminary. Larger studies are needed before drawing firm conclusions or replacing prescribed medications. What's important to remember is that nature rarely works in isolation. Remedies like this tend to strengthen the body gradually by improving internal harmony, rather than delivering instant results. That gentle, steady approach mirrors the lifestyle habits that keep us healthy into our later years: patience, consistency, and mindfulness. So, while black seed and honey might not be a miracle cure, they do appear to offer genuine support for the body's natural defenses. Used wisely, they can fit beautifully into a balanced wellness routine, one that honors both tradition and science. How to prepare and use it safely. Now that you understand the history and science behind this traditional blend, let's talk about how to prepare it correctly and use it safely. The beauty of this remedy lies in its simplicity: no fancy ingredients, no complicated process, just two pure gifts from nature. To make it, you'll need 1 teaspoon of black seed, either the whole seeds or a few drops of cold-pressed black seed oil, and 1 tablespoon of natural honey, preferably raw and unprocessed. Combine them in a small bowl or cup, stir until smooth, and take it slowly, allowing it to coat your throat as you swallow. Many people prefer to take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for better absorption and energy throughout the day. You can also mix it into warm water or herbal tea if you find the taste too strong. The warmth helps the honey dissolve easily and makes the flavor milder. If you're new to black seed, start with smaller portions and gradually increase the amount as your body adjusts. As always, safety comes first. While this mixture is generally gentle, it's not suitable for everyone. If you're taking medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or thyroid issues, speak with your doctor before using it regularly. People allergic to honey or sesame family plants should avoid black seed entirely. And because honey is not safe for infants, keep this mixture out of reach of young children. Moderation is key, more isn't better. A small daily serving is all you need to enjoy its natural support. Think of it as part of your daily routine, just like your morning walk or cup of tea. Consistency and mindfulness make all the difference. When used thoughtfully, black seed and honey can become a quiet, comforting ritual, a reminder that caring for your health doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, the simplest things can bring the greatest benefits. So, what can we take away from this ancient blend of black seed and honey? Beyond its history, its taste, or even the science, it carries a deeper lesson: that caring for our health doesn't always require modern inventions or expensive products. Sometimes, the simplest things nature offers can quietly support the body in extraordinary ways. Whether you're looking to ease stiffness, strengthen your immune system, or simply bring more natural energy into your mornings, this traditional mix can be a meaningful addition to your wellness routine. It's gentle, affordable, and built on wisdom passed through generations, the kind that reminds us that healing starts with consistency, patience, and self-respect. Try it with mindfulness, and notice how your body responds over time. You might find that this small, daily ritual brings not just physical relief, but a sense of calm and control over your well-being. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please take a moment to tap the subscribe button and join our senior food and wellness community. We share weekly insights, natural remedies, and practical health tips designed especially for older adults who want to feel their best every day. Thank you for watching, for taking time to care for yourself, and for being part of a community that believes in aging with grace, strength, and gratitude. Until next time, stay well, stay curious, and keep choosing the natural path to lifelong wellness.